Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can switch phones on a Visible. Really easy and simple, guys. So if you're using a physical SIM, okay, you just take out your SIM, your physical SIM from their old phone, insert it into the new phone, and then it will automatically, detect the new SIM and you will be able to use it. If you're using an eSIM, really easy and simple to do as well. So for example, if you're using an Android, right? This is what you do, guys. Open the Visible app, log into your account. Then you want to go ahead and navigate to account and click on your devices. And under switching phones is simple. You want to go ahead and say click on a switch now. Okay, go ahead and click on that. And then on the where do you want your eSIM screen, you want to choose the option that basically applies to you. So you either choose my current phone. So basically you're switching from your PSIM, which is your physical SIM, to an eSIM, okay, on the same phone. Or you can do a new phone. So you transfer the service from one device to another. And then you want to go ahead and select continue on the, make sure you're using the new phone you want to activate screen, right? And then you want to enter the device's IMEI in the field you provided. And then you want to go ahead and select next. Okay, and then you basically confirm that you completed the before you activate checklist on the screen by checking off the items that are listed below. Just make sure you're on Wi-Fi, your phone is updated, and your phone is actually charged. And once you have verified your account from the code that will be sent to your email or phone number, the Visible app will basically download your service. Okay, and then what's going to happen is the You're Almost There screen will walk you through how you can remove an old Visible eSIM from a device. You want to select continue if you basically don't have an eSIM on your device or you've already completed the process. So go ahead and select OK on the Your SIM will be downloaded soon screen. Then select settings on the download finish screen and just turn on your Visible eSIM with the use SIM toggle. Then just select yes when asked, turn on Visible, select continue, and then what's going to happen, you'll receive one of these two screens. So you'll either receive a success message, so you have basically successfully transferred and downloaded your eSIM on your device, or you'll receive almost done, and basically it may just take you up to 15 minutes for your eSIM to be completely transferred and download. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video provided value to you. If this guide provided value, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.